Hi, and welcome to yourusvisa.com, where we provide you the immigration news and much more. E-Verify becomes stronger. After 3 delays, the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security, Jeanette Napolitano, finally informed that the mandatory use of E-Verify by federal government contractors and subcontractors begins on September 8, 2009. The Barack Obama administration had delayed the start dates while it studied the details and impact of the final rule. E-Verify is a voluntary web-based program where employers can check if a person is allowed to work in the United States or not. E-Verify is a program run jointly by the Department of Homeland Security and the Social Security Administration. Critics of the program affirm that E-Verify returns too many negative hits to the employers using it, when in reality, there is an error and the investigated worker is really allowed to work legally in the United States. They also state that the process for the workers to have the error fixed is difficult, lengthy, and can even make an employer hire someone else for the job instead of waiting. Those in favor say that the number of negative hits, which are about 3% of all inquiries, is acceptable, and that the process for correction is not that complicated. They also say that E-Verify is in the process of being improved and that new security measures have been added. The only issue that the program now really faces is its lifespan. E-Verify is set to expire as of September 30th, except for those federal government contractors and subcontractors, unless Congress approves its extension. At this moment, July 2009, legislation is being debated in both the Senate and the House on how much money to assign for the extension and for how long the extension will be. But since there is a lot of support for E-Verify in Capitol Hill and the White House, the program's extension is almost certain. E-Verify is also the center of a legal battle, since there is a coalition of business groups that have sued the federal government, claiming it is illegal for Washington to make the use of E-Verify mandatory to the companies that worked with them, when the program is voluntary in nature. We'll keep you posted on any changes here on yourusvisa.com.